Good Hope?
Yes.
Your attorney is here.
You got the money? Keep it. Athenian lawyers can smell drachma from a mile away. I'll be right back.
I like your bird.
Thanks.
What are you in for?
Spartan. Allegedly.
Me too. Allegedly.
Phoebe.
Theo. So, what do you do when you're not a Spartan, Phoebe?
Travel with my bird mostly. You?
Same. With my brother, that is. Good Hope Incorporated. It's a family business.
What sort of business?
Wholesale philosophies, theories, proverbs, axioms, tenets, and isms of the highest quality and greatest variety.
You sell philosophies? When you hit rock bottom, there's nowhere to go but up. What is that, Aristotle?
Good Hope. My father was somewhat of an amateur philosopher. He taught me and my brother the business.
Where are you two from?
Well, Athens, actually. But I think I remember it a lot different than it was. Are you from here?
Oh no, I'm just passing through.
Where are you going?
Trying to get back home.
And where's that?
Oh, it's not a certain place. Well, not one I could name. Somewhere I'm going. Not that I would think. I just want to be my own. To be someone. To be someone that means something to somebody else. Once I'm there, then that's my home.
So, how long are you going to be in town?
I'm not sure. They're letting me go to the parking lot today to ask Athena permission to leave the city. Trouble is, I don't have an offering to give her. All I have is this bird.
Well, where do you think you'll go?
I'm not sure. Another city, I suppose.
See, that's the way I would travel. Nothing tying you down. Nothing holding you back.
You mean you don't want to stay in Athens?
Well, my brother did. He's the whole reason we came home to begin with. With me, I'm just not sure.
Not sure you want to come back?
Not sure this is my home. My home is a city, like this one is, but greater. One where people read, one where people think, one where minds can grow, and where hatred can shrink. I know that I'll get there, if not now, later. When I get there, that's my home. I'm just afraid I'm going to be stuck here.
Well, at least you got your brother. All I have is this bird.
Is your bird alright?
She's just sensitive. She's a very special bird.
Is that right?
She's from the kingdom of the birds in the sky.
I've never heard of it.
She's from a world that is hidden by a cloud, full of birds, where humans are allowed. Imagine an untouched land. Imagine untouched by men. Imagine somewhere with no God, somewhere with no fear, somewhere with no war, somewhere that's far from here. Imagine somewhere in the sky. She'll take you anywhere you want to go. She's no good if you're stuck here in Athens.
Well, here, take this. It's not much, but it can get you out of here.
I'm not taking your money.
I'm already. We need to get this to Athena.
I can't.
How else are you going to leave the city?
All right. Then at least take my bird. She'll take you anywhere you want to go.
Deal.
Are you sure about this?
If there's one thing that I've learned from going town to town, from every big mistake, it's home is not a here, home is not a there, home is where you make it.
Phoebe.
So what do you think? Was I too forward? money.
Good news. There's a chance we can get off with disturbing the peace that the lawyer's going to cost us. Give me the money, we can get out of here.
Give me the money.
Give me the money.
I don't have the money.
You don't have the money.
I spent it.
You spent it on what?
A very special bird from the kingdom of the birds in the sky.
You spent the last of our money on a bird.
A very special bird.
Good hope and good hope.
Yes.
What?
You're wanted at the Parthenon.
The Parthenon?
Athena wants to see you.
Why?
What do I look like, a prophet? Let's go!
Please let us have each other next. And now we have this. At least we have each other. Well, I don't think so.
You don't. And who are you?
I'm THEODORUS GOODHOPE, and this is my brother, NIKOMEDES GOODHOPE.
You were the boys who rallied those slaves in Delos, right?
Yeah, that was us.
And the riot in Argos?
Yeah, us too.
My, you boys have made quite a name for yourselves.
We have?
A lot of commotion in a lot of towns. You know, I know a slew of gods who'd give anything to see the two of you dead.
Dead?
Dead! Not me, of course. I'm a benevolent and loving deity who only wants her constituents to grow and prosper. Isn't that right?
You betcha!
So, what have the famous GOODHOPE and GOODHOPE brought to the glorious Athena?
We've got animism,
Mysticism, cynicism,
Darwinism,
dogmatism.
Whoa! What is that?
We bring you the finest philosophies from every corner in Greece.
Uh-huh. And what is a goddess supposed to do with philosophy?
For any purpose you desire. Perhaps to run your fair city.
My city.
Personally, I don't think some new ideas have heard around here.
You're proposition.
I don't believe I've followed